Hello, welcome to Water Sign Philippines. So, ito yung reading natin for Water Sign, Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces. By the way, ito yung ways kung paano ka makakapagpabook ng reading sa akin. And also at the same time, yung aming TikTok shop. Unipri, UNIPRI. Yan. Sa, sa reading, yung kung gusto mong pabook sa akin, available astrological reading, palm reading, tarot advice, ayan. Mag-inquire ka na lang doon. Wait lang, ayusin ko yung brightness. Hopefully ay mag-comment ka dyan sa baba. Kahit po heart lang, smileys, malaking bagay yun sa akin. Sana okay lang po kayo mga water signs. No? Main energy, okay. Okay, you're stuck. Okay, you're stuck. Nakikita natin yan with the King of Wands and the Devil. Wala kang magawa. You are being manipulated. No? I feel like there's someone na nagmamanipulate sa'yo. Laging nandiyan nakabantay sa'yo. Wala kang magawa regarding dito. Or yung iba sa inyo, you could be stuck. Kung hindi man sa relationship, you could be stuck in a situation with a boss, with a career, na parang you're not happy, wala kang magawa. This person is very bossy. And parang all you have to do is to follow itong mga rules and regulations niya, no? And I feel like I don't see na mayroon kang ginagawa din para makaalis doon for now, no? Whether it's a relationship or a career, hindi ko nakikita na may ginagawa ka din na effort or what, but parang hinahayaan mo na lang. Sino yung person na nakakonect mo pagdating sa love? Person na nakakonect mo pagdating sa love. Nakakita nga pala ako ng dragon, so I don't know if you're dealing with the dragon or Leo. Yan, Leo energy. Sagittarius, Pisces. And something to do with lizard. So, pwedeng recently lang may napanood ka mga video regarding butike or lizard, or maybe may narinig ka yung sounds ng lizard while watching this video. Page of Pentacles, the Fool. I'm seeing an offer with the person, or there's a person maybe. Kung hindi, whether itong person to is yung offer binibigay ngayon, or ang offer is matagal na, dati pa, noon pa. No, could be dealing with a person who is younger than you, or maybe may children na involved sa inyo, or this could be a person na may childhood memories kayo. But the Fool is here. Itong person na to is willing to take the risk sa'yo. I'm seeing new connection, new relationship. Or this could be a person na gusto niya magkaroon ng relationship sa inyo, pero gusto niya sumama ka sa kanya, or leave the situation kung nasan ka, especially if nasa relasyon ka na, no? Parang itong person na to, dito ka na lang sa akin. Gusto niya na reconciliation sa inyo. Ano yung nafe-feel mo, or ninyong dalawa sa connection na ito? For water sign, anong nafe-feel nyo ang dalawa sa connection na ito? The World, this is major arcana. Also the Fool, Two of Wands, the Queen of Swords, and the Five of Pentacles. What's with the World and Two of Wands? I feel like nagiging open ka regarding sa kung ano yung gusto mong mangyari sa buhay mo, plano mo, etc. You want growth financially, etc. No? Basta growth. Yung iba kasi hindi man financially, maybe growth. Pagdating sa sarili mo, talents mo, skills mo, gusto mo mag-grow to. And And itong person na to, nakita mo yung growth sa kanya, pero might be ayaw mo na, part of you is ayaw mo kinakaawaan ka nitong person na to. Or ayaw mong halos ibigay ang sarili mo sa kanya. Or yung nga, yung iba kasi sa inyo, pwedeng hindi ka makaalis sa situation kung nasan ka. This person, gusto niyang i-cut off. Guys, dalawa yung energy na kukuha ko. If this is a person in the past, gusto ka niyang i-cut off or gusto ka na niyang kalimutan. Especially if, hindi ka naman nakakalis sa sitwasyon mo. The Five of Pentacles. So, this person currently nagkakaroon siya ng financial problem. Although may mga offers siya, pwedeng may mga problem pa rin naman siya. Hindi naman nawawala. Pero, it's like, mamomoblema ako. Parang ganun yung energy niya. Mamomoblema ako, pero hindi ibig sabihin nun, hindi ko na para i-offer sa'yo ito. Kumbaga, parang ganun. I'm still offering you kung ano yung mga kaya ko pang i-offer, or a lot of opportunities ang kaya ko ibigay or i-offer sa'yo. Pero kung ano yung problema ko, akin lang yun. Hindi naman ibig sabihin na ino-offer ko yung sarili ko sa'yo or yung etong mga bagay na ito sa'yo ay para may kasama akong mga problema dito. Hindi naman ganun. Honestly, wala akong naramdaman masyadong emotions sa inyong dalawa. Ang mas nakuha ko lang is that you are both, connected. Pero wala nga tayong masyadong emotions na nakukuha. Pwedeng ang goal nitong connection nito is magkaroon ng pagtutulungan. Parang ganun. What will happen in the near future sa inyong dalawa? The Justice card is here. This is Libra energy. Six of Swords. Okay. Knight of Swords is here. Page of Wands. And Ten of Wands. What's with the Six of Swords and the Justice card? The Devil. Okay. Some of you, especially if you are already in a relationship, maybe even marriage or kasunduan, I'm seeing you moving on from that. Maybe you have an ex-wife, ex-husband kind of energy. So parang magmo-move on na lang ako dito. And with the Devil, I feel like yung iba sa inyo, if you are the one na stuck sa relationship, you have to be honest sa sarili mo. Only you can get out from that situation. Wala namang ibang tutulong, or don't expect na itong person na to ay dadating bigla sa buhay mo, your knight and shining armor, aalisin ka dyan sa sitwasyon mo na yan. It's you na kailangan gumawa ng paraan. Kung hindi ka happy sa relationship, ayaw mo dyan, then you should do something. No? Kasi yung iba sa inyo pwedeng may iniisip na responsibilidad, hindi kailangan i-work out si relasyon, ganito ganyan, kahit pa hindi ako happy, ano naman, wala na akong magagawa, kailangan ko lang, kailangan nating, makontento na lang, parang ganon. But deep inside, you know that there's longing, you're not happy. The Justice card, you need to be, parang maging totoo sa sarili mo, sa isip mo. Alam mo yan eh. In the near future, this person, continuous communication ang nakikita natin sa kanya, sa inyong dalawa. Responsibilidad nandun pa rin. I can see pag-uusap regarding pagta-travel in the near future para sa'yo. Maybe with regards to a child, or pagta-travel na may kasamang like child or children. Last card for the sign of water sign. Well, I can see you being happy in the near future. Pag-usaping family. May happiness tayo dito. Tsaka, part of you will be focus sa pag-aayos or pagdadagdag ng skills in the near future. Ayun yung nakukuha nating energy dito. So anyway, that's it for now. Thank you for watching. Wala tayong masyadong nakuhang love kasi might be yung focus mo talaga naman is sa sarili mo. Yan. I love you all and bye-bye.